Japanese eat very less fat and suffer from fewer heart attacks compared to the British and the Americans. On the contrary, the French eat lot of fat, still suffer from fewer heart attacks compared to the British and Americans. Japanese also drink very small quantity of red wine, suffer from fewer heart attacks compared to British and Americans. But Italians drink lot of red wine, but even they suffer from fewer heart attacks compared to British and Americans. After sharing this statistics, a professor asks in a class, "Dear students, what do you conclude from this?" What do you conclude from this? The students thought about it, and one of the very naughty boys from the last benches slowly, very reluctantly stood up and said, "Professor, eat and drink whatever heck you want. It is speaking English that kills you." Good evening, Toastmasters, and welcome guests. Of all the sound the human being makes, the sound of a roaring laughter is most contagious. Believe me, the urban life is so hectic, busy and filled with lot of challenges. Let me name a few for you, starting from getting up early in the morning, cooking food, taking care of children's needs, dependent parents, in-laws, taking care of their needs, reaching office in that bumper-to-bumper traffic, long working hours, aspirational targets at office, business tours, conference calls even after you come back home. Oof, the list goes on and on and on. Unlike our olden days, we don't have time to cook healthy food. We don't have time for informal family gatherings. We don't have time to sit together and have food, crack jokes, have fun and entertainment. Despite taking all the additional work, burden, pressure, today we end up ending stress-related diseases, blood pressure, diabetes, heart attacks. But yet, we cannot deny the fact that laughter in most of the cases is the best medicine. Yet, we choose to ignore this universal truth. Robin Sharma, in one of his hugely famous books, Who Will Cry When You Die, quotes according to a study. On an average, a 4-year-old child laughs 300 times a day when compared to an adult who laughs only 15 times a day. See how alarming it is. He also emphasizes that with all the obligations, stress, the activities that has filled our daily life, we have forgotten to laugh. There is no humor in our life. Humor. What is humor? Humor, it is the ability to laugh. Ability to make others laugh. The knack of participating and provoking laughter. The three heads, health, humor and happiness, have many things in common compared to the fourth H, harmony. Humor leads to better health and greater happiness. The earlier we understand this fact of life, the better it is for us and even for people around us. Let me share some statistics, benefits of humor. Humor reduces stress, reduces blood pressure, helps in boosting immune system, it helps in the functioning of heart, it protects our heart, it helps to reach out people. Also, let me share some statistical benefits of laughter. 100 laughter is equivalent to 10 minutes of exercise, benefits of 10 minutes of exercise on a rowing machine. 15 minutes of laughter is equivalent to relaxing benefits of 8 hours of deep meditation. 10 minutes laughter is also equivalent to relaxing benefits of 2 hours of deep sleep. Laughter is just like sneezing. It is only the first that takes time, later it freely flows. Yet, we Indians are notorious for lacking sense of humor. Why? Why are we scared of indulging in laughter rats? Why do we take life so seriously? Why do we take ourselves so seriously? Why can't we have humor a part of life, part of our lifestyle? Are you confused about how to have humor in everyday life? Let me share some facts with you. Read humorous books. T.P. Kailasam, Khushwant Singh, P.G. Wordsworth. Watch DVDs, VCDs, Charlie Chaplin, Rowan Atkinson, Russell Peters, great stand-up comedian. Watch cartoons with your kids, Laurel and Hardy, Mickey Donald. You know, sharing laughter is the greatest way of cementing bonds. Also, there's a yogasana in which all you have to do is laugh. It starts from the belly, flows all the way up to the face and explodes. It has got significant therapeutic benefits. Try it out with your child and see how great they feel, how humorous they feel. Crack jokes while working in the office, particularly with the present day disposal of mobile phones with each one of us. We have treasure trove of jokes. Come back home, share with them. Join laughter clubs. Seriously, believe me, I know one person in RT Nagar who is so very serious, reserved, doesn't even speak to, he wouldn't even speak to his own family, spouse and friends. He used to go to Tagore Laughter Club in Patel City. Believe me, it has brought a world of happiness to him. More than him, it is his family who is so happy about his change in behavior. Friends, laughter is a universal language. Very simple, easily understandable, pretty contagious and emotional too. It is free, it is legal, it has no calorie, no preservative, no artificial ingredients. It is completely safe. Laughter is the natural sound of childhood. An optimist loves to forget, but a pessimist forgets to laugh. So Toastmasters, it is not only an apple a day keep the doctor away, it is a joke a day keep many of the problems away. The days are not far when we go to the doctors with ailment and the doctors prescribe, take 2 TV comedy serials, Laughter Challenge 5, 10 episodes, one after breakfast, one after lunch, one before dinner. Take it for 3 days. If you have time, watch Mr. or Mrs. See me after 3 days. You may not even go and see him after 3 days. Laughter is the shortest distance between 2 people. So what are you all waiting for? Laugh all the way to the bank of glory, greater health and happiness, joy and love. Have a super sensational day every day. Over to you.